GM, my people, what's good? All right, so today we're gonna be diving into the Nexus airdrop. Okay, so spoiler alert, this is not, it's not a brand new airdrop. As you can see here, there was a testnet one, there was a testnet two, and right now we're in the testnet three, like the final phase. So I won't say we're late, but we can still squeeze a little goodness out of this thing, right? So Nexus is a layer one ZKVM protocol. It's a modular it's a modular zero knowledge virtual machine, blah 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 blah. Backed by Pantera Capital, Dragonfly, Faction VC, the big guys. As you can see, they've raised 27 million dollars, guys. Come on. Tell me you don't want to be part of that, eh? So you can see there was the first phase, the first testnet phase, which lasted from December 13th to December 19th. Sorry, what the fuck? From December 9th to 13th, 2024. The second phase lasted from February 18th to 22nd in 2025. While the final phase, which is um the phase we are about to, embark on now, is it just started literally, right, in Q2. Okay. So now, as you can see, the details of the first phase, 10K users joined, and approximately $300 was rewarded per participant. Also, in the second phase, incentives for running provers, and this is the final phase. Now, this is the last phase before the main net. You can run your nodes and endpoints. And if we go down a little more, you see how to participate. Web interface easy. You have to visit their website, which we'll do very soon. Hit connect toggle, and just like that, you have farming points. No too much stress, no too much going up and down. You are just hit connect your wallet and hit connect. In fact, you see it very soon. Or you can buy the CLI node or a VPS node. This one doesn't require you to be online the whole time or stuff like that. Okay, so let's just get right into it. Okay, open a new tab on your browser and paste the link in the description. Hit enter, and this is their airdrop page. And as you can see here, testnet 3. Oh wow, we're late though. We're late. Yeah, this is the third phase of the testnet. Okay. Okay, the page is still loading up. All right, so when you open up the page for the first time, this is what you should see, okay? This is how the interface is. You can see different nodes. This is like showing the location of different nodes, different users of the Nexus testnet, in different parts of the world. And these are transactions being made per second or whatever. So these are the number of live nodes, 285.3K live nodes. That is at this point in time. The total nodes is 1.84 million, active CCs 1,294. And we're about to be one of these nodes, right? So the first thing you should do is click on sign in. Now you'll be prompted to choose what you sign in with, and so far it's been Google, so we'll still use our Gmail in this one. And just like that, you have created an account in the Nexus testnet. You click on continue, and you are welcome because you've literally begun, right? So as you can see here, they give you a personalized wallet address for your testnets, shenanigans. This is your wallet address. I don't know what to do with it though. Of course, you can deposit next and send next and do different things within the testnet, right? So next thing you have to do is go to your profile. Your profile, as you can see, this is the Gmail you just used to get yourself connected. So the next thing you have to do is connect your X and your Discord to your dashboard. So at this point, guys, you have linked your Twitter and your Discord. I mean, you're literally done with all these things, right? So if you want to do little account security stuff, you go here, go back to your profile. That's just all we have to do here, right? So this is the toggle. You hit it, and as you can see here, you're accumulating points. Let's see. Okay, we're going to end testnet's next points. This number estimates your unclaimed points based on your speed, and it can be inaccurate at the start, right? So we can see the error message it gave us here. The split points may not be accurate, but it's being tracked, so they know what they're doing, all right? So let me take you around the dashboard before you get lost. This is the leaderboard, and I wouldn't encourage you to go there because I think you'd be kind of discouraged, right? I mean, we're just starting, but consistency will definitely pay off. Just make sure you open your browser every day, leave this page running. You don't need to do much. As you can see, it's just accumulating, doing its thing, right? You don't need to do much tasks except, linking your Twitter and your Discord. So this is, different platforms and protocols that they are partnering with. You can see Snarkify, Polyhedra, Caldera, Dynamic, they're all different platforms that they are partnering with while Orochi Network. So here is your nodes. Now, if you have bought or set up a CLI node, it will be to show here, right? But you just have one node, which is this browser, and that's what you're seeing right now. And we just started, all right? And that's why you still have 0 unclaimed points, blah blah blah. And since it's a web browser, you're seeing web, okay? So if you want to even disable this browser, like you're no more using it, you can still, hit on this delete icon here. And this is for your rewards, to see different rewards you might have claimed. Now, if you participated in the first phase or the second phase, I mean, you should know your way around this dashboard, right? And maybe some rewards and history will be here. But since this is our first time, it's blank. Okay, so I do believe that it will be blank in the next how many months, all right? So endeavor to follow them on their socials, okay? Their Discord, their X, so that you don't miss out on any important information they might drop, about dates, about AMAs, to answer some questions that you may possibly have, okay? So also endeavor to follow us because I'll be dropping updates on this airdrop and many other airdrops in the future, okay? So if you don't want to miss out on those, follow me on my Twitter channel, follow me on YouTube, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any important video I put there, alright? And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.